If you've listened to any of my content, you've probably heard me say a cajillion times, if that's even a number, that success loves speed. Let's talk about product packaging, especially when you're launching or testing a product. See, so many people get caught up with that launch being the perfect launch and that first product being a perfect product. I want you to understand that there's R&D, which is research and development, and that process is very time strenuous and it takes time, right? Your product is not gonna be the best on your launch. And of course it could be if it takes you 3 months or 6 months or a year. By that time, all the competition is gonna be making all of the money. So I want to give you permission in this video to rush your launch. Now you're like, Josh, what do you mean rush my launch? I want this to be great. I don't wanna launch some crap. Of course you don't wanna launch some crap, but I'm here to tell you that most importantly is the product, the manufacturer, and your listing. For your first test order and for your first batch, you don't have to have the best packaging. You don't have to have the best logo. You don't have to have the best insert. All of these things can be added on your second, third, and fourth shipments, right? You don't have to have all of this stuff done the first time. When you find a product and when you launch a product, the most important thing, guys, is actually getting that product manufactured, sourced, shipped to Amazon, and get customer data that supports, okay, this product's gonna make me $3,000 a month. This product's gonna make me $10,000 a month, so on and so forth. What's not gonna be a huge determining factor is how good your packaging is. Now, on the contrary to that, after you launch this product, you start seeing some numbers and you validate and verify this product is indeed gonna be a mover and a shaker and it's gonna sell what you anticipated. Now you wanna start to put some resources into your photos, into your packaging, so on and so forth. So I just wanna let you know that's a huge mistake that a lot of people make. A lot of my product launches are in white boxes. You can use a poly bag. You can use a white plain corrugated box. You can always change these on your next shipment.